Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. So let's start. First of all, I am on the on-day chart. In on-day chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to on our chart, in on our chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 2-hour chart, in 2-hour chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 3-hour chart, in 3-hour chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 4-hour chart, in 4-hour chart you can see the market is going to up. So it's difficult for the market going on, but we need the good calculation. For this I go to 1-minute chart. In 1-minute chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 5-minute chart, in 5-minute chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 30-minute chart, in 30-minute chart you can see the market is going to up. If I go to 45-minute chart, in 45-minute chart market is going to up. So I need a good prediction and solution. For this I go to 2-hour chart. In 2-hour chart you can notice there is 2 pips. First pips going to down and now the pips is going to up. So if I take a scale, this two scale is equally. I think this scale going to down and now this scale going to up last 2 hours. You can follow this scale like this. I think everybody understand what I mean. If you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I think it will be helpful for my viewers. Now I can describe about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 19,197.80 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 19,197.80 USD. I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you.